Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away. Hi everyone, and welcome to John Caudry Music. If you're new here, I'm John, and I regularly post ukulele tutorials here on YouTube to suit all different playing abilities. Today we're going to be looking at the Darlene Love arrangement of Winter Wonderland, as recorded in 1963 for the A Christmas Gift for You from Phil Spector album. The song was actually written in 1934 by Felix Bernard and Richard B. Smith, and has since been recorded by many artists, including Bing Crosby, Tony Bennett, Michael Bublé, and Loewe, to name but a few. We'll be looking at the song in the key of C major with a modulation to E major for the bridge, as per the Darlene Love original, so that you can either play along with her version or you can use my play along video that I've made for the song. I've linked to this in both the card above and the video description below. So grab your ukulele, check that you're in tune, and we'll get started. But just before we do, if you do find this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. It really helps me a lot with making more of these video tutorials moving forward. If you'd like a PDF copy of the song sheet with the lyrics and the chord boxes, buy me a coffee. See how to do so in the video description below, and I'll email one over to you. Alternatively, join me over at my Patreon site, where all my video tutorials and accompanying PDFs can be found in one place. The link for this can also be found in the video description below. The song is in a standard 32-bar AABA form, like so many songs written during the Tin Pan Alley era. So after a 6-bar intro, there are 2 A sections, then an 8-bar bridge or B section, then a third 8-bar A section, and then in the Darlene Love version, there's an instrumental A section, another B section, and finally we have one more A section, and then the last line is repeated 3 more times to end the song. I definitely vary my strumming pattern a bit throughout this song, but I'm generally using a combination of down, down, up, down, up, down, up, with a little more emphasis on the down strums on beats 2 and 4 of the bar, like so. Or just a down, 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 especially over any bars sharing 2 chords. But again, with smaller and quieter strums on beats 1 and 3 of the bar, and a louder full strum on beats 2 and 4, like so. I personally think the intro is the trickiest part of this song, as it's syncopated and we're playing a call and response with the bass guitar part. So the bass plays a little pickup like so, which is played on the beats and 4 and of the pickup bar and lands on the first beat of bar 1. So, and 4 and 1. We would then respond with 2 up strums of C on the and after 1 and the and after 2, and then 2 down strums of C6 on beats 3 and 4 of the first bar, and then in bar 2 we play 2 more down strums on C major 7 on beats 1 and 2, and an up strum of C6 on the and after 2. So with me playing slowly with the bass pickup as well, we would have then the bass plays the same pickup again on the and 4 and in bar 2, landing on beat 1 of bar 3. And we would again respond with 2 up strums of C on the and after 1 and the and after 2, then 2 down strums of C6 on beats 3 and 4, and then in bar 4 we play 2 down strums of D minor 7 on beats 1 and 2, and then an up strum of G7 on the and after 2. So with me playing slowly with the bass pickup, at the end of bar 2 we would have and then for the rest of bar 4 the bass plays a different 4-note pickup, and then in bar 5 a full bar with a triplet field chromatic descending line of to end on a C note on beat 1 of bar 6, and then a G that's played on all 7 of the other 8th beats of that bar. And it's in bar 6 that we join the bass with a G7 chord on every 8th beat except for beat 1. So we miss the C that the bass plays on beat 1, and then we play up, down, up, down, up, down, up on the G7 like so. And this acts like a pickup to take us into the main form of the song. I hope that all makes sense, but feel free to rewind the video and watch my explanation again if need be. So here is a little video clip from my play along for the song of me playing the intro chords in response to the bass part. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? The A sections are in the key of C major, and as I said before, are all 8 bars long. The chord progression is the same for them all. In bars 1 and 2, we have 2 bars of C. Then in bars 3 and 4, we have 2 bars of G7. Then in bar 5, we have an evenly split bar sharing a G7 on beats 1 and 2, and an F on beats 3 and 4. In bar 6, we have another split bar evenly sharing a G and a G7. And then in bar 7, another split bar sharing a D7 and a G7. And finally in bar 8 we have a full bar of C. So with the G7 pickup from the intro, the first A section would be sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. The second A section is structurally the same as the first, so I won't go over the chord sequence again, but if I play it through, it would sound something like this. Gone away is the bluebird, here to stay is a new bird. He sings a love song as we go along, walking in a winter wonderland. For the B section or bridge, we modulate or change key to E major. And like the A sections, this is also 8 bars long. In bar 1, we have an evenly split bar sharing firstly an E major chord, everyone's favourite, which I'm choosing to play this shape, and then a B7, which I'm playing in this shape. Please feel free to use your preferred shapes for both of these chords. In bar 2, we have another full bar of E. Then in bar 3, we have another split bar of E and B7. And in bar 4, another full bar of E. Then in bar 5, we have a split bar of G, and then D7, and a full bar of G in bar 6, and in bar 7, a split bar sharing an A7 and a D7, and finally in bar 8, a split bar of G and G7. So, 2, 3, 4, in the meadow we can build a snowman, then pretend that he is Parson Brown. He'll say, are you married? We'll say, no man, but you can do the job when you're in town. Next we have the third A section, which is the same chord sequence as the other 2 A sections. So, later on we'll conspire as we dream by the fire to face unafraid the plans that we've made, walking in a winter wonderland. Then we get an instrumental A section, which is 8 bars long with the same chords as the other A sections. So, 2, 3, 4. Then we get another bridge or B section with slightly different lyrics, 2, 3, 4. In the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he's a circus clown. We'll have lots of fun with Mr. Snowman until the other kids knock him down. Then, to finish the song, we have one more A section where we repeat the final line 3 more times to finish on a classic C, G7, C ending that would sound something like this. When it snows, ain't it thrilling, though your nose gets a chillin'. We'll frolic and play the Eskimo way, walking in a winter wonderland. 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 So now we have a nice arrangement for Winter Wonderland. I'll link to my play along video for you to practice with in both the card above and the video description below. Please be sure to hit the like button if you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more ukulele content. Let me know in the comments what other songs you'd like to learn next. If you'd like a copy of the song sheet with the lyrics and the chord box diagrams, buy me a coffee, see how to do so in the video description below, and I'll email one over to you. Or alternatively, join me over at my Patreon, where all my tutorials and accompanying PDFs can be found in one place. The link for this can also be found in the video description below. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.